And I guess while we're on the subject of cloud stuff, Bob wrote me to say that he had been reviewing some of his iCloud app data, and he found data from an application that was unfamiliar to him and was not currently installed on any of his devices. And he sent me a screenshot of this, and it even had kind of a somewhat suspicious name, and it got me a little bit worried that he might have a hacker on his iPhone. The app was called COPD, and then it had some Chinese characters after it. And it basically had a little bit of encrypted data, what it called encrypted data, stored in his iCloud. And so he emailed me to say, hey, what happened here? How could this have happened? And I started looking at it a little bit more deeply and realized, oh, hey, what probably is going on here is that app at one point had been installed. It could have even been years ago and then simply forgotten about. It's also a possibility, if it's a really old app, that maybe it was called something different in the past, and so maybe you're just not recognizing it, or it's not immediately recognizable. And that's because apps that sync or store data in iCloud will not have their iCloud data deleted if you simply delete the app from your device. It just hangs around there. I think it's because having the iCloud data up there allows you to, you're syncing and you're basically backing up the data, and other devices may use that data, and so it just doesn't get removed. So it sort of serves as a backup, and in theory, if you ever reinstall the app, then you would get your data back. And I've been grateful for this with games, right? Games that store your play history and stuff in iCloud. You're able to delete that game from your device, and then when you reinstall it, you haven't lost all of your advancements and your place and those sorts of things. So Bob's question did, for me, kind of bring up a good topic of discussion for us here on the Maccast, and that is housekeeping, right? Just cleaning up your data and being aware that, iCloud data, backup data and file data that is synced to iCloud doesn't necessarily go away when you delete the app. So you may want to periodically go through and manually review your iCloud data and clean up any old data for apps that you really are not planning on using anymore, and you just don't want eating up your iCloud storage. So if you go into settings on your iOS device and then tap your name at the top to access your iCloud account, tap on iCloud, tap on Manage Storage, you can scroll through the list of all the apps that are storing data in iCloud. And you can tap on any one of those apps and you can delete its data to remove that data from iCloud. So a little bit of house cleaning, and that's probably all you need to do, Bob, to kind of deal with this app. I don't think there's anything nefarious going on. My guess is it's just something that was really old and kind of totally forgotten about. Hope that's the case. If not, email me back and we'll investigate even further.